All right. So here we are back at it. I had to do a bunch of stuff this morning, so it's like 8:38. But I also got done with my main work project yesterday, and I'm waiting on an assignment, so we can probably knock this one out while I'm waiting for it. All right. That being said, so here we are, and we've got this. And it looks funky, but no big deal. We can fix it. So let's look. Draw. Okay, so it's got to be this. Clearly, it's got to be this. Where's this at? It's this one right here. Because if we get rid of this, and run it, you see it looks like that. Which, why did it go black? I don't know. Is it because we're not drawing? Oh, we're not drawing the piece. Anyway, so let's go back and get this on there. All right, so this is not looking cool. Also, we didn't draw the board. Set tile color. All right, we don't want this color black. Let's make this one white. And this one beige. Is there a beige? Cyan. Let's try the sand. Sand. Whoops. Sand. List of CSS colors. That's what we gotta find. Give us a list of the CSS colors. Give us a list of CSS colors. All right, where's the full list of not CSS, C++? Let's all right. Where's the full list of C++ colors? Okay. Oh, it's in SF. Is that really? Is that what it is? Okay. Okay, so we can make custom colors. We can make custom colors by setting color variables. Variables. There we go. Yes, exactly. Okay, cool. So that's what we'll end up doing. Let's yeah, shut up. Can we use hex? Yes. Show me. Okay, so we can do hex if we put this ox in front of it. All right, cool. Yeah. Let's look at it. Yeah. Why is there Oh, this is the last variable. Okay. What's the fourth variable in the hex? I'm pretty sure that's opacity, but okay, yeah. That's the alpha. Is this one here? What? AA. Hold on. AA. Oh, here. AA. So this is the alpha, which we don't have to worry about. All right, so let's go get some hot colors. Where do we do that? We can always say this. Louis Vuitton. Let's go over here. Hey, bae. Accept all menu min. Where's all? New this season. Boom. Let's see what we got. Spring, summer. That's for the spring. So let's keep going. Let's go all the way down to winter. I know because I'm not going to tell you any more secrets than that, but yeah, this is not. It's to spring. View more. Let's go look for real wintry colors. I think this is probably going to be the color for February. So let's go to find January. I think this is more in the January section. I'm pretty sure that's how they have this. What did it out? Something. A hobo cargo. What? Is there not an all button? Let's go to fall winter 2024. Aha. I don't know about that. That looks so 2024 with the cowboy thing. We're in a new year. Let's see. New this season. New formal LV ski. Spring summer pre. Let's do this one. LV ski. Yeah, I can get into that. I can get down with that. Yeah, I can get down with those colors. All right, there's a blue right there. What are we replacing actually? First off, what are we replacing? I get serious with colors, sorry. All right, color no longer going to be white. I want a brown color. All right, so that's what we want here is a brown color. So let's go find, where you at? Louis Vuitton. This is a little not brown enough. Here's a tan. We'll go with that. All right, so here we go. A little bit of that snippet tool. Boom. Now we go to Photoshop. And we say new. No, not new. We're going up to the old one. This is an old one. I haven't gone to the color palette in a while. This is where I usually, anyway, I'm not telling you any secrets. You can see it yourself. All right, so we got this. Let's grab this. It doesn't really matter. Look at this. This thing's going to move around a lot, and it really doesn't matter. It's just what do you prefer? Do you want it darker or lighter? Because there's always going to be like a shadier part, and there's always going to be a lighter part. So just, I think a little darker. That's good. All right. So now we've got this hex code right here. Copy. We're going to do Control A, Control C. Now let's come over here and actually let's go over here and over here and let's see, how do we do this? Okay, so how do we assign? So how would I assign a variable called tan with this hex code in C++? Wait, and then all right, let's see what we got. Come on. Okay, so this is how we do it. Okay, so we would do SF color, and then we would say tan is this. All right. So let's put this right here. All right, so yeah. So you see, this is how we declare variables. Is that real? Is that real? Let's see. Let's go tan. Let's see. No. Does not look like that worked at all. Let's go over to let's go over to is it SLMS? What is it? What is it? SFML. SFML. There we go. Toots. Graphics. Text and fonts. sprites and textures, drawing 2D stuff, sprites and textures, maybe this. Entities with vertex arrays, shapes, text and fonts, sprites and textures. Let's see about this. Texture. We want color. Let's go to Control F color. All right. SF color, : black. No. No. Can't be that. All right. So, would we do this? No. Look at this. Here's this. SF10. Do we get rid of this? No. That's not cool either. Look, this changed colors when we put this here. It's still like that. Okay. Let's try again. Let's try to figure this out some more. Shapes. Let's say color. Control F, color. All right. Here's hex. I mean, here's RGB. RGB again. It's gotta be hex. Come on. If there's not hex, we'll just use RGB, but I don't want to use it. You get what I'm saying? I don't want to use RGB. I like hexadecimal a lot better. It doesn't seem like it, though. It doesn't seem like it. Can't see nothing but RGB, RGB, and RGB. We're probably going to have to deal with RGB. Well, you can't have it all, right? We'll figure it out later if we can change it. But today, it's RGB. So let's come over here to Photoshop. Let's look at RGB. Oh, man. Okay. 182, 139, 196. I'm not going to remember that. So let's just do this. And do this. Why not? All right. And do no. First, let's go look in how it's supposed to look. All right. So we do SF : color, and then the hex color. Hex code. All right. Let's just take this and we'll change it up. In a second. So let's go here. Let's drop this. Let's do this like this. Man. Adobe. It's Adobe, everybody. All right. I got an idea. I'm going to put this over here. All right. And then I'm going to put this. I'm going to do this. And there's that. And now I'm going to pick another little brown over here. Okay, there we go. And now let's toss color in here. The sand. This whole thing. Let's do that. Okay. And now let's give it 195, 152. 152. and 107. 107, boom. All right, so that's going to be one of the colors, and the other color, let's go get another color. Cancel. Bring this back over here, and let's go find us another color. Let's go back to Louis. All right, where you at? Boom. I like clicking that one because they like pay like $3 every time they have to pay like $3 every time I click it. Nah, that's bad. But I do like clicking it because it's at the top. How about that? All right, here we go. Where we at? New this season. And we went to new this season. LV a ski. All right. So we're gonna get one of these gray colors over here. Let's get the one that's on the. Oh no! Look, they have one right there on the same product that we're using. I think it's a good idea to use the same products because these people are. I mean, they're selling it for $1,600, almost $1,700. It's going to be over $1,700, maybe even over $1,800 after taxes and shipping, and you never know. So they put some thought into these colors. You know what I'm saying? That's the only reason I'm using these, because they put some thought into them. And I appreciate that. I appreciate the fact that there's this available. So let's go. What are we doing? Ah, yes. That. We'll go over here. And we will... Sometimes it gets darker. That's the background. No, sometimes it gets darker. Sometimes it stays light. I think that's good. All right, now that we've got this, let's open up this. Drag that over there, and let's put color, SF color, and we'll say, we'll say 241, we'll say 235, and we will say 236, a nice little gray, because they're all close to each other in the number of range. What are you talking? Oh yeah, RGB. Yes. There we go. Let's say, what are we saying now? We're gonna go ahead and say run it. Okay, look at that. That's okay. So now we got to get a board going on, because we got this going on, and that's not cool enough. Those are pretty good colors, you think? I think they're pretty good for this. All right, so now we've got that. Let's get rid of this. Let's get this bigger, and let's figure out what is wrong. Okay, so for int row, as long as row is less than board size, call and row is going to equal 0, and then we've got int call equals 0. Well, call is less than board size. Call plus. All right. Set tile color. Okay. So I don't believe that it knows which row in which. I think maybe, I don't know. I don't think it understands what rows and columns are. Also, let's find out, how do we comment things out in C++? How do we comment things out in C++? Is there a multi-line? Ah, yeah. Okay, so it's just like JavaScript. All right, cool, great. So let's just say this right now. We're going to say right here, and then right here we will say right here. All right, we'll go. All right, and let's run it. Okay, so now we got this going on. looks like what it looks like. All right. Also, it's not right because, well, you can see it. All right. So that's what we got going on. So why is that? I don't think it knows what rows and columns are. You know what I'm saying? Or something about the position. Let's also do, let's comment this out. All right. All right, there we go. So let's run it again. Just make sure everything works. Okay. So why is it going like that? That's the huge question. And I think it's because SFML, I don't know, doesn't know. SFML. Something about it doesn't know. So call at the first call would be 0, right? At the position, it would be call times 100, call times 100, right? That doesn't make sense, does it? Yeah, that doesn't make sense. I don't think that actually makes sense. That's actually not going to work. Should this be row times 100? Let's go look. Maybe I did this wrong. Let's go look. Probably did it wrong. Let's go look at the for loop. I probably changed it by accident. Wrongly. Okay, here's this. Okay, so call first and then row. Okay, so yeah, it was a little bit of user error. Not gonna deny it, but yeah. Let's go down a little bit so we can scroll over a little bit. All right, let's change the second one to row. Not that. This one. The second one should be row. Let's run it. Ah, look at us, looking smooth. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Let's run it. Nah, no. But we're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. All right. So those positions are not going to work for us. Let's see. Maybe it's because we didn't put the position down over here. And I do believe that's exactly what it has to be. So let's go fetch that from ChatGPT. Where is the position of these? We got to move this back over. All right. Circle shape. We need the position. One of these had position. We all saw it. No. One of these had position. No. Set origin. That's what it was. Boom. All right. Copy. Let's go back over here. Paste. Make this an array. Okay. Let's close it and run it. Close it and run it. See what we got. Yeah. Yeah. What about that? Huh? Look at that. Look at that. It's you know, we could actually maybe switch these colors around actually real quick. Let's do a little bit of this. Copy, paste. Copy. Paste. Cut. Paste. Okay. Run it. All right. Okay. I'm not really digging this color anymore. There was probably a reason why there was so little of it on that boot. On that boot, you see, that's as much as there was. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to fetch a different color, and that color is going to be this darker color. Okay. And let's go grab this, drop it thus. Close this. That's not how you do it. This is how we do it. Boom. Open this again. All right. So we're going to change the white color, which was this one, to 133. What is this? 92 and 62. And we're going to run it. Yeah, I don't like that at all. But we're getting there. I think it's because of the black. I think the black and the red. I think they both could be. Let's work around that. Let's go find us a red and a black. All right, where are you? Thing I'm looking for, Louis Vuitton. A red and a black is what we're looking for. We got plenty of dark grays. We will choose those if we have to. We've also got these. Oh, there's a red right there. Darker red. This is more going on with the red style than this one. So let's get this one. Let's actually embiggen it. Let's see if we can embiggen it even more. Nope. This is as much as we can embiggen it. Let's grab us a color. Boom. All right. Where are we going? Also, it's got black on it too. Awesome. It's got both colors we need. So we don't need to go get any other ones. All right. So that's a wild. If it was a full jacket, I would say yes, that has that 90s flair. All right. Let's go here to this place. And let's say, get out of here. And let's do a Control V. Haha, look at all that red. All right. So let's get the red first. Let's get a lighter red, or something around up here. Yes, not too light, but we are on some dark squares. All right. So here we go. Let's hex this up by doing this first, and then let's go over here to these colors, which are right here, red and black. So color, we're going to say this to start with, and inside of there we're going to say 191 comma 58 comma 74. Oh, that's not 74, 74. All right, good. And that's for the red. And then we can also come over here and grab black while we're at it. This will work. All right, cool. Let's come over here and say to the black color, you are now inside of this, we're going to say you are now 36 comma 38 comma 35. Okay, and then we'll run it. What you look like? No. We're missing a this. Let's run it. Okay. There we go. Okay, it's a little too dark, not gonna lie. Also, we could throw some gradients and some textures on it to give it a little bit of flair. Maybe some animations. But we are here, and if we come up here, where you at? If we come up here, inside of here, we can do the something none. I forgot what it was, but it was something none. So let's go over to this and window. And it was events explained, I'm pretty sure. If it wasn't there, it's here. Yes. In this SF style none. Copy. Let's come over here. Not to this. To this. Slap it in right there. And run it. And look at that. So there we go. Now we got this. And so now we can work the logic. The logic of how to get this to go here and this to go here and all the rest. And then we can go back to making the UI look even more cool. Yes. Out of here. So yeah, that was a good one. We actually did pretty well on this one, don't you think? I believe we did. I did, however, give up my color secret and oh no. Actually, I'll probably edit out where I got my colors from because that's one of my secrets. But it is what it is. Anyway, so we've got that, and that's looking good right now. We're gonna figure out how to make this stuff happen. And how to make this stuff happen, and all the rest of it in the next one. And then we'll go on and do some more styling. So there's that. And we'll see you next time.